Welcome to the land of the midnight sun, where emerald fjords cut through snow-capped mountains, and where adventure awaits around every corner. Welcome to Norway. Nestled in the far stretches of northern Europe, Norway's dramatic landscapes are shaped by a climate as diverse as its culture. Its people, deeply rooted in Viking history, have fostered a unique blend of tradition and innovation, making Norway a fascinating destination. What if we told you that we've compiled a list of the top 10 places that you absolutely must visit when you're in this Scandinavian paradise? Intrigued? Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have Tromso, a city that's as vibrant as it is historic. Nestled in the Arctic Circle, Tromso is a city of contrasts. It's a place where the old meets the new in a delightful fusion of centuries-old traditions and modern life. Tromso's rich history is etched into its distinctive architecture, from the iconic Arctic cathedral to the charming wooden houses that line its streets. But it's not just the city's architectural gems that draw visitors. Tromso is also the gateway to one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles, the Northern Lights. Imagine standing under the star-studded Arctic sky, watching as hues of green, pink, and purple dance across the horizon. It's a sight that's as magical as it is unforgettable. Tromso, a city that promises a unique blend of culture and nature, is a place that should definitely be on your travel list. Coming in at number 9, we have the Lofoten Islands, a group of islands known for their breathtaking beauty and unique wildlife. Glistening in the Norwegian Sea, far above the Arctic Circle, the Lofoten Islands unfold a symphony of dramatic mountains, deep fjords, squawking seabird colonies, and long, surf-swept beaches. One can't help but marvel at the wildlife here. Seals, sea eagles, and a variety of fish make this place a nature lover's paradise. The island's rich fishing history is still very much alive, with traditional red and white fishermen's huts dotting the coastline, and fishing remains a key activity for visitors. For those who prefer land to sea, the islands offer numerous hiking trails, each unfolding a panorama more stunning than the last. Whether you're hiking the rugged terrain, casting a line in the clear waters, or simply soaking in the awe-inspiring views, you'll find a unique charm in the Lofoten Islands. The Lofoten Islands, a place where you can truly immerse yourself in nature's beauty, is a destination that you simply cannot miss. At number 8, we have Bergen, a city that's often referred to as the gateway to the fjords. Bergen is an enchanting city that captures the essence of Norway's rich history and vibrant culture. Founded over 9 centuries ago, the city still retains a medieval charm, with its cobblestone streets and old wooden houses. Bergen's architecture is a delightful blend of the old and the new. The Bergen Wharf, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to the city's Hanseatic past, with its colorful wooden buildings lined along the waterfront. On the other hand, modern structures like the Bergen Aquarium and the Grieg Hall showcase the city's contemporary side. For nature enthusiasts, the funicular ride up to Mount Fløyen offers panoramic views of the city and its surrounding landscapes. If you're a foodie, Bergen's fish market is a must-visit, offering a variety of fresh seafood. Bergen, a city that perfectly combines history and modernity, is a destination that deserves a spot on your travel list. Coming in at number 7, we have Stavanger, a city known for its vibrant culture and stunning natural beauty. Nestled on the southwestern coast of Norway, this city is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Stavanger's rich history is beautifully encapsulated in its well-preserved old town, where cobblestone streets are lined with quaint white wooden houses dating back to the 18th century. It's like stepping back in time, a stark contrast to the city's modern and buzzing city center. But the allure of Stavanger isn't just confined to its urban charm. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the jaw-dropping wonder of Preikestolen, or Pulpit Rock, a natural platform that offers unparalleled views of the surrounding fjords. It's a hiker's paradise, and a testament to the dramatic beauty of Norway's landscapes. Stavanger, a city that promises a unique blend of culture and nature, is a destination that you simply cannot miss. At number 6, we have Alesund, a city that's known for its Art Nouveau architecture and stunning fjords. Nestled on the west coast of Norway, Alesund is a testament to the resilience and creativity of the Norwegian people. After a devastating fire in the early 20th century, the city was rebuilt in the Art Nouveau style, giving birth to a unique architectural landscape dotted with turrets, spires, and ornamental facades. The city's beauty isn't confined to its architecture. Alesund is also renowned for its deep blue fjords. These natural wonders provide a picturesque backdrop for a variety of activities. Whether you're hiking up the 418 steps to the Oslo viewpoint for a panoramic view of the city and its surrounding fjords or sailing through the serene waters on a boat, Alesund offers an unforgettable experience. Alesund, a city that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and architectural marvels, is a destination that definitely deserves a spot on your travel list. Halfway through our list at number 5 we have Trondheim, a city that's steeped in history and culture. Nestled on the south shore of the Fjord, this charming city is Norway's third largest, offering a rich tapestry of experiences that blend the old with the new. Trondheim's roots stretch back over 1,000 years, when it served as the Vikings' capital. Today, the city's history is beautifully preserved in its buildings and landmarks. The star of the show is certainly the Nidaros Cathedral. This stunning edifice, built over the burial site of King Olav II, beckons with its intricate stone carvings and towering spires. But Trondheim isn't just about the past. It's also a city of vibrant culture with lively festivals, art galleries, and a burgeoning food scene. And let's not forget the Old Town Bridge, offering breathtaking views of the city and the fjord. Trondheim, a city that promises a unique blend of history and culture, is a destination that you simply cannot miss. Coming in at number 4 we have Svalbard, an archipelago that's known for its stunning natural beauty and unique wildlife. Situated far north in the Arctic Ocean, Svalbard is a world away from urban life, offering an unparalleled experience of wilderness and adventure. This place is a wonderland of rugged mountains, sweeping glaciers, and frozen tundra. But it's not just the landscapes that draw people here. Svalbard is one of the few places on Earth where you can observe polar bears in their natural habitat, a truly awe-inspiring sight. Apart from wildlife watching, Svalbard also offers a range of exciting activities. You can hike across majestic glaciers, navigate through ice-filled fjords on a kayak, or explore the eerie beauty of ice caves. Imagine the thrill of spotting a polar bear on the horizon, or the sense of accomplishment as you conquer a glacier trail. Svalbard, a place where you can truly immerse yourself in nature's beauty, is a destination that you simply cannot miss. At number 3 we have Oslo, the capital of Norway and a city that's known for its rich history and vibrant culture. Oslo, a city that sits at the head of the Oslo Fjord, is steeped in history that dates back to the year 1000. It's a place where the old and the new coexist harmoniously. The city boasts of significant landmarks like the Royal Palace, a grand 19th century building that's still the official residence of the Norwegian monarch. Let's not forget the Viking Ship Museum, home to the world's best preserved Viking ships and artifacts from the Viking Age. It's a place where you can step back in time and get a glimpse of Viking life. The culture of Oslo is as diverse as its history. With a thriving arts scene, numerous festivals, and an array of international cuisines, the city offers something for everyone. Oslo, a city that perfectly combines history and modernity, is a destination that deserves a spot on your travel list. Coming in at number 2, we have Geirangerfjord, a fjord that's known for its stunning beauty and unique wildlife. This majestic fjord is nestled in the southwestern part of Norway, extending over 9 miles of pristine waterways, flanked by towering mountains and lush greenery. It's a playground for wildlife enthusiasts, offering a diverse ecosystem teeming with various species. From the playful otters and seals splashing in the waters to the majestic eagles soaring high above, Geirangerfjord is a living, breathing testament to nature's bounty. But the allure of Geirangerfjord extends beyond its natural wonders. The fjord is an adventure seeker's dream, offering a myriad of activities. You can sail along the fjord, letting the cool breeze tease your senses, or hike the rugged trails, each step revealing a new facet of this beautiful landscape. Geirangerfjord, a place where you can truly immerse yourself in nature's beauty, is a destination that you simply cannot miss. And finally, at number 1 we have the Northern Lights, a natural phenomenon that's as breathtaking as it is mysterious. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis as they're scientifically known, are a celestial ballet of light dancing across the night sky. These ethereal curtains of color are caused by collisions between electrically charged particles from the sun that enter the Earth's atmosphere. To witness this spectacle, you'll want to head north, above the Arctic Circle during the dark winter months from late September to late March. The best time is typically on clear, dark nights. What makes the Northern Lights a must-see? Well, it's the sheer magic of it. The lights swirl and twirl, creating an ever-changing display of greens, pinks, and purples. It's a sight that's been inspiring awe and wonder for centuries, and it continues to do so today. The Northern Lights, a spectacle that promises to leave you spellbound, is a sight that you absolutely must see when you're in Norway.